Hey Mind Detectives, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you. Weird habits women love. That's right, we're not talking about six-pack abs or fancy cars. We're talking about the unexpected quirks and behaviors that can actually make you more attractive. Forget the dating app cliches. Let's crack the code on these irresistible oddities. 1. Embrace your inner geek. You might think your passion for vintage comic books or mastering the art of origami is a turnoff. But guess what? Women love a man who's passionate about something. It shows depth, curiosity, and a genuine interest in the world. So, don't shy away from your unique hobbies. Share your knowledge. Dive deep into your interests and let your enthusiasm shine through. Remember, it's not about dominating the conversation. It's about sharing your world with someone who's genuinely interested. 2. The power of the pen. In our digital age, a handwritten note feels like a rare treasure. Taking the time to craft a personal note for a birthday or just because shows genuine care and attention. It's a tangible reminder that you were thinking of her, and good handwriting? Bonus points. But it's not just about the note itself. It's about the thoughtfulness behind it. Journaling can also be a major plus. Sharing your thoughts and feelings in a written form shows emotional depth and a willingness to connect on a deeper level. 3. The early bird. Gets the attraction? Being an early riser might not be everyone's cup of tea, but there's something undeniably sexy about someone who seizes the day. It shows discipline, ambition, and a desire to make the most of every moment. Plus, early mornings offer quiet time for personal growth, a quality women find highly attractive. Imagine sharing stories about your morning hikes or quiet moments of reflection. It paints a picture of a man who is in control of his life and has a sense of purpose. 4. Sock it to her. Believe it or not, your socks can say a lot about you. Ditch the boring black and embrace some funky patterns or quirky designs. They're a conversation starter, a way to showcase your personality, and a chance to stand out from the crowd. But it goes beyond just the socks. It's about having the confidence to express yourself, even in small ways. It shows that you're not afraid to be different and that you have a playful side. 5. The gentleman's touch. Chivalry isn't dead. Simple gestures like holding the door open or offering a jacket show respect and thoughtfulness. It's not about being outdated. It's about demonstrating good manners and making someone feel valued. But it's also about consistency. Being a gentleman isn't just about grand gestures. It's about the small, everyday actions that show you care. It's about treating everyone with respect, not just those you're interested in. 6. A sense of humor. Let's not forget the power of laughter. A good sense of humor is incredibly attractive. It shows that you can take life's ups and downs in stride and that you're not afraid to be silly. But it's important to find your own unique brand of humor. Whether you're witty, sarcastic, or goofy, being authentic is key. 7. Emotional intelligence. Being able to understand and express your emotions is a valuable trait. It shows that you're self-aware and can connect with others on a deeper level. Women appreciate a man who can listen actively and offer support. It demonstrates empathy and compassion, qualities that are essential for building strong relationships. Remember, Mind Detectives, it's not about crafting a fake persona. It's about embracing your unique quirks and letting them shine through. Confidence in your own skin is the ultimate magnet. 8. A love for learning. Women are often drawn to men who are intellectually curious. Whether it's pursuing a new hobby, taking online courses, or engaging in stimulating conversations, a thirst for knowledge is incredibly attractive. It shows that you're open-minded, adaptable, and always looking to grow as a person. 9. A strong work ethic. While it's important to have balance, a man who is passionate about his career is undeniably appealing. It demonstrates ambition, drive, and a sense of responsibility. But it's not just about success. It's about finding fulfillment in your work. Sharing your career goals and passions can be inspiring and attractive. 10. A sense of adventure. A willingness to step outside your comfort zone and try new things is a major turn-on. Whether it's hiking, trying new cuisines, or traveling to new places, a sense of adventure shows that you're open to new experiences and that you're not afraid to take risks. It also suggests that you're a dynamic and interesting person. 11. Physical affection. Physical touch is a crucial part of any relationship. Showing affection, whether it's holding hands, hugging, or a simple touch on the arm, creates a sense of connection and intimacy. It's important to be mindful of personal boundaries, but expressing physical affection can deepen your bond with someone. 12. A strong support system. Having a strong network of friends and family demonstrates that you're a loyal and caring person. It shows that you have people who support you and that you're capable of building meaningful relationships. Sharing stories about your loved ones can be heartwarming and create a sense of connection with others. Remember, mind detectives, these are just a few examples, and the key is to be authentic. Focus on the qualities that make you unique and let your personality shine through. It's about finding someone who appreciates your true self, quirks and all. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner irresistible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Now get out there and be your awesome, quirky self. Until next time, stay curious. Mind detectives.